In the peaceful town of Rocky Beach, Jupiter Jones, Pete Crenshaw, and Bob Andrews, known collectively as the Three Investigators, faced an uncanny mystery. This time their challenge was not just to solve a crime but to confront the moral quandaries of human nature. The case began when a vaunted painting, the Zenith of Zephyr, was stolen from the local gallery. The gallery owner, Mr. Hartley, an urbane man with a veneer of sophistication, was visibly unnerved. The theft was unprecedented in the town's history, and the investigators' pursuit of justice was untrammeled. As they delved deeper, they discovered that the seemingly unprepossessing janitor, Mr. Greeves, had an unruly past. His involvement in the theft was a matter of variance among the team. Bob, with his voracious appetite for facts, unearthed that Greeves was in financial trouble, a fact that could undermine his innocence. Jupiter, known for his unflappable demeanor, underscored the importance of not jumping to conclusions. His voracious approach led them to uncover a plot by an unscrupulous art dealer, Mr. Larkin, known for his vehemence for rare art. Larkin's plan was to undermine Mr. Hartley, driven by a vindictive grudge. The case took an untoward turn when they discovered that Mr. Hartley, despite his urbane facade, was not unimpeachable. He had taken umbrage at the art world's dismissal of his gallery, and had decided to underwrite the theft to create a vicarious sense of victory. His actions, though venial in his eyes, were unconscionable to the investigators. In a series of twists and turns, marked by vacillating suspects and vacuous alibis, the investigators vied to vindicate the innocent and vanquish the guilty. They faced the vicissitudes of the case with an unstinting dedication to the truth. As the zenith of their investigation approached, they confronted Mr. Hartley, whose winsome demeanor had waxed whimsical. In a moment of vehement confession, he vilified himself, admitting his role in the plot. His actions, a blend of wanton ambition and venality, were a stark reminder of the zeitgeist of greed. The investigators' success was not just in solving the case, but in exposing the vitriolic undercurrents of envy and rivalry. Their vociferous pursuit of justice and unprejudiced discernment underscored the unviable nature of deceit. As the sun set over Rocky Beach, the trio reflected on their adventure. They had witnessed the gamut of human emotions, from the voracious greed to the virtuous desire for truth. The case of the Zenith of Zephyr was a veritable lesson in the complexities of morality and the immutable need for integrity. In the end, the three investigators proved that even in the face of unprecedented challenges and unpropitious circumstances, their commitment to justice was unyielding, a testament to their enduring spirit, and an epitome of the indomitable human will to seek truth.